I'm here to walk you through your next assignment. It is labeled gasket, and we are going to make something that looks like a gasket for like a tire or an engine. I don't really know. I just know how to draw it. So let's go in here. You're going to start. You want to look over your file here. So we've got a lot of circles. We're going to learn lots of different commands, but I believe in you. So we have our inner circle here that has a diameter of 3. We have an outer circle here that has a diameter of 4. We have 6 of these internal circles with a diameter of 0.5. Then we have these outer circles that have a radius, ooh, tricky, of 0.5. And then we have this new command, fillet, and we're going to have 12 fillets at a radius of 0.13. So let's get started. So I'm going to make my circle, my inner circle of 3, and then I'm going to make my outer circle with the same center point. And that's what it's telling you. I need to find my center point, so I need to make sure I have center on. Yep. There we go. So notice I did have to hover by the circle to be able to get it to kind of recognize it. But I have those inner circles, and then I've got my outer circle. Then I need to make those little circles. So those interior circles have a diameter of 0.5. I'm going to put the first one at the very top here. It has a diameter of 0.5. Then we have the other circles, which have a radius. So I come in here, same center point of 0.5. Which also means it has a diameter of 1. Your choice. So now it's like, okay, well, how am I going to figure out how far away these circles are? There's a trick. So when you come up here, and you choose array, it probably has these squares there, but you want to come down here and do a polar array, meaning it's going in a circular area. So you select your objects, and I'm going to select both of my little circles. And then I press enter. Now it says specify the center point of the array. And so I come down here and I choose the center here. Boom! So fast. It should do it automatically for you where you get your 6 circles that you needed all the way around. You can change it here. I could put 12 circles in between. Whoa! You can do fun things. For this assignment, it does need to be 6. So you press 6 and then enter. Yep, there we go. And then you want to close array. Now, here's where it gets a little tricky. We're going to learn our next command. Oh, we did it together. So you want to select both of those. It's going to bring up to your array. You want to come over here and choose the explode. So that means it says it breaks a compound object into the component parts. Compound meaning all the circles are one being, and you want them to be individual circles. So now that I can select them and such. So let's go through our fillet command. So I choose fillet, which means to round the edges of objects. Fun story, fun fact, when I took my class in AutoCAD, I had a professor who was from Illinois, and he would say fillet, and I was like, I'm pretty sure it's fillet, like you fillet a salmon, how you're, rounding out the meat, and it was like mind-blowing to my class that I knew how to say fillet. You guys are cool in Alaska. So you select fillet, and then you need to make sure that you come down here. You can either type R, meaning if it's in blue, that's the letter that's going to choose the command, or click radius. And I know my radius for the fillet is 0.13. So, and that's just from the drawing that I'm given. So I've changed my radius. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and I'm going to select my first object and then my second object. Look at that, I got a little one. And you just keep going around. Fillet again. Radius. Make sure you're still at 0.13. 0.13. Now, if you want to do all of them at once without having a restarting, you can type M for multiple, meaning you're going to do multiple fillets. So I'm going to just come in here and do all of my little fillets. Super cool, right? That's so fun. Loving it. Okay, I pressed enter to end the command because I went all the way around. Now, if you're like, oh, look, I'm done, let's double check. Oh, my drawing doesn't look quite like that. So how can I clean it up, Miss Ian? What you do is you come up here to this trim command, and you have to select your objects. So I start and I select my objects so that they all turn blue, and then I press enter, and then I have to get rid of everything I don't need. So that's going to come in here, get rid of everything, so that all of them come in here, come in here, come in here, come in here. So all 6 of them look like this. And then I press enter when I'm done. And then that's going to be your gasket command. Then you're going to come over here. You're going to output plot. It's going to come up. Needs a second to think. I'm coming down here, choosing my PDF for general documentation. I choose window. I come over here. I'll zoom out just a little bit. And then choose my window. And then I would press OK. Make sure I know where I'm saving it. Make sure you save it as a drawing file if you aren't finished. And that's your second assignment for Gasket. Good luck!